If you're battling with dark knuckles, today is your lucky day because I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of them. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips, and don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get rid of dark knuckles. So many of you have been requesting I make a video on how to lighten your dark knuckles. So if you're one of those battling with dark knuckles, then you want to keep on watching because I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of your dark knuckles, the causes and cures of dark knuckles, the best products you can use to clear your dark knuckles, and how to prevent dark knuckles. So let's jump right into it. Like, dark knuckles is one of the most embarrassing skin issues that a lot of people tend to battle with on a regular basis. Like, how do you even know you have dark knuckles? So if you want to know if you have dark knuckles, just take a look at your finger joints. If your finger joint is 2 shades, 3 shades or more darker than the rest of your body, then you simply have dark knuckles. So if you're one of those battling with dark knuckles, you need to understand that there are various causes of dark knuckles, because most people tend to believe that dark knuckles is only caused by bleaching creams. Hell no. Like, there are other factors or causes of dark knuckles, like use of harsh chemicals like your detergent. Some detergents can be very drying on the skin. Like, whenever you use them to wash clothes, do your dishes, you're going to notice that your finger joints will become dry afterwards. And another major cause of dark knuckles could be as a result of genetics. Like, some people inherited this from their parents. Like, dark knuckles can be hereditary. Another cause could be as a result of sun exposure. When you expose your skin to the sun without sun protection, what do you expect? You're going to have dark knuckles. So that's another reason why most people battle with dark knuckles. So those are the major causes of dark knuckles on the skin, and the most common cause, which we all know, is the use of skin lightening products like your bleaching cream, lightening cream, whitening cream. Like, most of these creams can be very drying on the skin. So if the skin around your joints is not getting enough moisture as required, it's going to make your joints get darker, and that is why you're suffering from dark knuckles, due to the fact that the skin around your joints is not getting enough moisture as it's supposed to. So in other words, if you want to prevent your knuckles from getting dark, then you need to take care of your hands the same way you take care of your face and other body parts. So the number one way to do if you want to prevent having dark knuckles is to always wash your hand. You need to wash your hand on a regular basis, as often as possible. And after washing your hands, the second thing you need to do is to always moisturize your hands. When I'm talking about moisturizing your hands, I'm talking about using hydrating moisturizers. Like, get a hand cream if your body lotion is not giving you the moisture you need. Feel free to use oils on your hands. So the third step you need to follow if you want to prevent dark knuckles is to always apply your SPF. Like, you need some protection, because majority of the skin issues we tend to battle with is as a result of sun exposure. So you need a sunscreen in your skincare routine if you want to prevent your knuckles from getting dark. So the fourth step you need to follow if you want to prevent dark knuckles is to avoid using lightening creams or bleaching creams. So now let's take a look at how to properly tackle your dark knuckles. I'll be showing you some effective ways that will help to tackle your dark knuckles if you're already battling with them. So if you want to get rid of your dark knuckles, then you need to incorporate the following skincare ingredients into your skincare routine. So you need ingredients like vitamin C, niacinamide, kojic acid, licorice, glycolic acid, azelaic acid, alpha arbutin, and then your retinoid. So adding any of those ingredients in your skincare routine is actually going to help get rid of your dark knuckles. Like any soap, lotion, cream that contains any of these ingredients will go a long way to lighten your dark knuckles. So I've actually gone ahead to break this down into a step-by-step skincare routine for dark knuckles. So the first step you want to follow if you want to get rid of your dark knuckles is to exfoliate your dark knuckles. So like I said in my video on how to properly exfoliate your skin, when it comes to exfoliating your knuckles, you want to avoid using physical scrubs on your knuckles. You want to reach out for chemical exfoliants to gently exfoliate and get rid of your dark knuckles. I don't advise using sugar, coffee, or salt scrubs on your dark knuckles. It is too harsh. Opting for chemical exfoliants like the ordinary glycolic acid. Like this, the ordinary glycolic acid is going to help exfoliate your dark knuckles and at the same time reduce the melanin production on those dark knuckles. So you want to use a chemical exfoliant like this to get rid of your dark knuckles. All you have to do is to take a clean cotton pad or cotton wool, use it to soak up some amount of the ordinary glycolic acid. Use it to clean up those dark areas on your knuckles. After you must have cleansed or washed your hands. Like do this 3 to 4 times a week. It's going to help shade off those dead skin cells on your joints and reduce melanin production on that area. So after using your chemical exfoliants on your dark knuckles, the next thing you want to do is to moisturize your dark knuckle. So the second step is to moisturize your hand. So when it comes to moisturizing your hand, I advise using hydrating moisturizers like the Aveeno Intense Hand Cream is a very nice one to moisturize your dark knuckles. Like it's going to help get rid of your dark knuckles. And if you cannot find Aveeno Intense Hand Cream, you can use your raw shea butter to moisturize your fingers. Like after washing your hands or doing any house activity, just moisturize your hand. Like it's going to help moisturize your finger and blend your dark knuckles. You need to keep your hand moisturized like 247. So these are good options if you want to get rid of your dark knuckles. And like I said before, the skin on your finger joints is way thicker than the rest of your body. So if your body lotion or body cream that you're using is not giving you enough moisture, then you need to start using body oils. Like after applying your body lotion, you can go ahead to use your body oil to massage your fingers. So you want to make a fist when moisturizing your finger and apply your hydrating moisturizer. Follow it up with your body oil. And the oils I love that will help to even out and blend your dark knuckles are almond oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil. Like you can use any of these oils to moisturize your fingers. They are going to help blend your dark knuckles and get rid of your dark knuckles. So the final step after you must have moisturized your hand is to apply your sunscreen. If you really want to get rid of your dark knuckles and prevent your knuckles from getting dark, then you need to get a sunscreen. So you need a sunscreen to protect your fingers from the sun. In order to prevent and get rid of your dark knuckles, you need a sunscreen. Like it's going to help get rid of your dark knuckles in no time. So the second remedy you can use for your dark knuckles is using the kojic acid soap. Like this particular soap contains kojic acid, and kojic acid is a lightening ingredient, so it's going to help lighten your dark knuckles and get rid of them. So if you want to use this kojic acid soap to get rid of your dark knuckles and lighten your dark knuckles, then you have to use the soap to wash your hands. And when using the soap, you want to use it 2 to 3 times a week to wash your hand. And after washing your hand, you can go ahead to moisturize your hand and then apply your sunscreen. Like it's going to help get rid of your dark knuckles. So one of the natural ways to get rid of your dark knuckles is by using turmeric. like combining your turmeric powder, almond oil, your coconut oil, or your sunflower oil, or you can make a mixture of these oils and apply it to your dark knuckles. Like, it's going to help blend your dark knuckles and get rid of your knuckles. So if you're using any of these methods to get rid of your dark knuckles, you need to give your products time to work. So you just want to be consistent with this routine. So yeah, these are the simple ways get rid of your dark knuckles. If you have any questions, do well to drop them right in the comment section. So yeah, that is it on how to get rid of dark knuckles. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.